Yep. And beat 12. Wrong. Just kidding. No.
That's a good bingo.
Woo!
Winner, winner.
You picked a good card
Pass it on.
for having the unlucky card.
This is an unlucky card.
I guess it's not unlucky anymore. You just made it lucky, Mr. Lucky.
Oh my
Oh.
gosh, that was a big bingo. The other one was.
How much did you
How
win?
could I be the number person?
Yep.
No, we passed it on to Daddy.
I don't want to do it.
Big
That's
B.
my card. What are you doing?
I want it.
Give me that card. It's gonna win eventually.
Never gonna win. Was that the one with B10?
Yeah.
What if it doesn't? We're only gonna play 4 rounds, right?
Baby.
No, I want to play more.
Do like Addison. Put the bag down here, and then you just reach in and pick one out. You got your card, loser.
Not loser. Can't. Addison, play. I'm gonna go check your shoes.